Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the micro SD because the board won't boot without a proper image. Choose 16 GB or larger for stability. Once downloaded, flash the Jetpack image using Bailna Etcher or DD. Verify checksum so you don't waste time on a corrupted flash. After flashing, insert the card into the Jetson Nano, connect HDMI, keyboard, and mouse, then apply the recommended 5V4A power. Once powered, the system begins its first boot configuration and will prompt you for locale and user setup. You'll walk through the on-screen installer. Set locale, create your user, and connect to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. This ensures correct time and package sources. Once logged in, open a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to pull critical fixes. Make sure to reboot if the kernel or firmware updates. Next, install Jetpack components and CUDA. Either use Nvidia SDK Manager for a guided install or enable the required apt repos and install packages manually so your GPU libraries match the OS. You should now validate the system by running a CUDA sample or device query to confirm GPU acceleration. This proves Jetpack and drivers are correct. Then configure practical settings like swap size for heavy builds, thermal profiles for stable performance, and enable camera or GPO interfaces in software. If something fails, inspect dmesc and journoctl for boot time errors. These logs often reveal driver or device tree issues. If you see missing firmware or permission denials, recheck package installation and reboot after fixes to ensure changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.